Masters, and today I'm going to show the stuff I got when I shopped with my grandmother today. And one, I'm keeping this toy in the box because it's a valuable toy. But I got Deadshot from Suicide Squad. Of course, kids at home do not watch it. Just do not. It has bad language. I just bought the toy. It's Deadshot. And you guys will be excited. Me and my grandmother are going to do this tomorrow. We're going to do Bean Boozle for you guys. And I'll be so fun. Can't wait to do it. And I got this dude named Marvel's Mansion Man. Here's the action figure. And he comes with different hands. He comes with these long hands and these actual real hands. Sorry, excuse me. What? Oh, and I got this Mashin. It's a little Mashin of my of the Star Wars. And I got the AT-AT. And I hope this video is not that quick. I'm gonna do something else, and I'm gonna show you some of the stuff I got for Christmas, you know. And I'm gonna show you something that my dad got me, and it's right here behind me. And it's my Batman Arkham City. And I got an actual Hot Toy, and I was asking for it so badly. And here it is. It's huge. He's like a foot. He's 1/6 scale. And this is so cute. My dad got this in his stocking this year. Daddy and me. That was my dad and me. I was like 4. He got the... Oh, no. My grandmother got him that. Daddy and me. And I got this from Santa, my stocking. And one of my favorite things I got is my Xbox One S!
No, it doesn't work for me. I'll send it back.
And here's me and my buddy Sparky, my dog, when I was 4.
I'm having a really hard time getting rid of all of so that I can actually get it for a price I can resell.
She's fixing delicious steak. Say hey to the camera. Hey. And I want you to say hey to Miss Chris. We call her that. But her real name is Destiny Darwin Dawkins.
Axe-throwing goes back thousands. It's one of the earliest weapons.
I don't think she'll come.
Militiamen use tomahawks instead of swords. All right, we head into the other building.
Destiny! Destiny! Oh, guys. I got knocked. I got her! Say hey! Oh, she wants me to tickle her. Oh, don't lick me. Don't lick me. I love you. You want to go? You just want to be tickled, don't you? So that's it for this video. Say bye to Destiny. And we'll see you in the next video. And I'll make sure to do that Bean Boozle for you.